Hey everyone, it's Kira. Welcome back to Glow Beauty Wellness here on YouTube. And I hope that you are staying hydrated, drinking your water, minding your business, staying healthy, staying safe, and staying sane during these crazy times. I wanted to share with you guys this juice recipe that I whipped up the other morning using seeded watermelon, limes, and red beets. So you may notice that I really love to use beets in like smoothies and stuff because beets are extremely healthy for you. And then watermelon is really good for you. It helps to hydrate and cool. And it's not super hot right now in Texas, but if you live in like a super hot climate, this is going to be a really good recipe for you because of the water content of the watermelon. You saw all of that liquid coming out of the watermelon. Very, very good for you. Beets are very, very good for you. They're really good for purifying the blood and oxygenating the blood. This juice in general and just anything that's in the raw form is going to be um, really good for the body in terms of reducing inflammation. I will leave the details of this juicer in the description box because I feel like everyone should have a juicer. We have a runaway lime here. Everyone should have a juicer, and we don't have to really talk about how good limes are for you. The whole recipe is good for you. And if you're trying to get on your healthy tip, if you're trying to detox, this is going to be a really good recipe for you. And it hides the taste of the beets even more so than like a smoothie. The taste of the watermelon, the sweetness of the watermelon hides the taste of the beets, but this is super antioxidant rich. As I've talked about before, the richness of the color in the food that you eat is really an indicator of the antioxidants in the recipe. So I had to use 2 mason jars here because the juice was overflowing out of the juicer. So this is the full amount of juice that I got, and I drank it all by myself. And let me know if you try this, you guys. I hope that you enjoy this video, and there will be more videos to come. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.